Toyota has reshuffled some options for the 2025 RAV4 that should cement its place as the top-selling compact crossover for another season. Some issues are fixed and all the best things are still there, skyrocketing expectations. However, the vehicle's not perfect and there's room for improvements. In this video, we're unveiling 6 pros that'll surprise you and 4 cons that can't be ignored on the 2025 Toyota RAV4. First, we'll go with the best features of the crossover and what made it so popular. Number 6. Looks. The first thing to be noticed about any vehicle is its appearance, which sets the stage for everything else potential buyers are going to evaluate. Looks draw them in, inviting a closer look at the features that follow. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 stands out with bold, chiseled styling that's hard to miss. You'll immediately become aware of the truck-inspired design cues. Compared to previous versions, the new vehicle looks adventure-ready. Sharply defined edges and a wider stance add to the overall athletic appeal. The front end is the highlight of the fresh look with a bold grille and sleek headlights. The truck-inspired design carries through with squared wheel arches and higher ground clearance. Blacked-out roof, sporty rear spoiler, and new alloy wheels are small details that'll further draw interest. The RAV4 is more capable than before thanks to the exterior update. The stylish design has practical benefits too, like better aerodynamics, which also boosts fuel efficiency and stability. The 2025 RAV4 screams style, utility, and modern toughness, all available in a compact SUV package. Number 5. Gas mileage. The crossover will also surprise you with its fuel efficiency. Starting with the base model, the 2025 RAV4 offers solid performance in gas mileage. The front-wheel drive gas-only version achieves an estimated 27 mpg in the city, 35 mpg on the highway, and 30 mpg combined. For many drivers, these figures will be enough, combining power and fuel economy. However, choosing the optional all-wheel drive system reduces mileage slightly, as is typical with all-wheel drive, though it boosts capability in tougher conditions. When it comes to fuel economy, the 2025 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid is the real standout. It's designated for drivers who value efficiency above all. The hybrid system returns 41 mpg combined, which is pretty impressive, having in mind that only a few other compact crossovers can compete with this level of efficiency. And on top of all of this, you're also getting all-wheel drive as a standard feature. In a world where gas mileage is a critical factor, the 2025 RAV4 gives buyers strong options with all its engines. Each setup is designed to meet distinct needs while maintaining Toyota's reliability and efficiency. Number 4. Hybrid performance. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid brings serious performance attributes. Under the hood, it features a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor. Combined, these two power generators deliver 219 horsepower. The system blends performance and efficiency. Mated to an ECVT, the crossover provides smooth and punchy acceleration. A 0 to 60 sprint takes 7.8 seconds, a second faster than the standard drivetrain. Additionally, the 2025 RAV4 Hybrid comes standard with Toyota's electronic on-demand all-wheel drive, which will enhance traction, stability, and overall performance. For those seeking an even greater performance, the upcoming RAV4 plug-in hybrid, previously known as the RAV4 Prime, takes the driving experience to the next level with enhanced power outputs and electrified capabilities, but it's treated as a separate model within the lineup. Number 3. Interior space. The interior of the compact crossover is surprisingly spacious for both passengers and cargo. Generous legroom and headroom, particularly in the rear row, are some of the reasons that make the RAV4 a bestseller. Even taller passengers can stretch out in the back without feeling cramped. In addition to spacious seating, the 2025 Toyota RAV4 features smart storage solutions that boost the practicality. The cabin is designed with various compartments and pockets for personal items such as water bottles, tablets, and wallets. The RAV4 also comes with a cargo space of 37 cubic feet behind the rear seats, making it versatile enough for a quick weekend getaway. Number 2. Upgraded tech. Toyota is finally paying more attention to modern features. After a lot of wasted time, the RAV4 is finally backed with an infotainment package that'll draw the attention of tech geeks. The latest generation of the Toyota audio multimedia system enhances connectivity and convenience for drivers, featuring over-the-air updates. Users can navigate the system effortlessly through intuitive touchscreen and voice controls. By the way, the new RAV4 now features 8 and 10.5-inch multimedia displays as well as a 12.3-inch driver's gauge cluster. The Connected Services Drive Connect trial or subscription offers you access to several valuable features, including Intelligent Assistant, Cloud Navigation, and Destination Assist. The Intelligent Assistant can do many things such as search for directions, locate points of interest, and adjust audio volume and temperature, all through voice commands. The onboard Onboard cloud navigation utilizes real-time data to provide the latest map and traffic information, while Destination Assist offers access to live agents for immediate assistance. You'll find many other options offered by the latest Toyota audio multimedia such as HD radio, Sirius XM 3-month trial subscription, Apple Music and Amazon Music streaming, dual Bluetooth phone pairing, or 4G connectivity for up to 5 devices. Number 1. Safety Suite. There's no safer compact crossover than the 2025 RAV4 thanks to the advanced Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 suite, designed to enhance driver confidence and ensure safety on the road. This package includes a variety of features aimed at preventing accidents and protecting passengers. Let's start with the pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, which uses cameras and sensors to detect potential collisions with vehicles or pedestrians, alerting the driver and, if necessary, applying the brakes automatically. Emergency steer assist is optional, and this feature helps steer the vehicle in emergencies, enhancing maneuverability. Full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control maintains a safe distance from the vehicle ahead, adjusting speed automatically to match the traffic flow. Lane departure alert with steer assist and lane tracing assist work together to detect lane markings and gently take the vehicle back to its lane if it drifts unintentionally. TSS 2.5 also features automatic high beams, which switch between high and low beams based on surrounding traffic. Road sign assist recognizes and displays road signs on the multi-information display, keeping the driver informed. Additionally, the blind spot monitor and rear cross traffic alert enhance the awareness of surrounding vehicles, while front and rear parking assist with automatic braking aids in tight maneuvers by providing alerts and applying brakes when needed. Finally, the rear seat reminder alerts drivers to check for passengers or items before leaving the vehicle. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 is an exceptional vehicle, a bestseller, but it's not flawless and there are a few downsides that we can't ignore. These can be deal breakers, so let's take a closer look at them. Number 4. Lack of advanced options. While the 2025 Toyota RAV4 offers excellent efficiency, practicality, and eye-catching design, it falls short in advanced options and upscale features. For many buyers, especially those looking to invest in such a tech-focused vehicle, this lack of premium options could be disappointing. Toyota made some improvements with the latest audio multimedia, but the limited flexibility when it comes to high-tech upgrades is a serious downside. For example, even in higher trims, Toyota doesn't offer options like a panoramic sunroof or ventilated seats, goodies that competitors include. Heads-up display or customizable ambient lighting would improve the overall experience. Toyota Safety Sense Suite offers plenty of options, but some features are limited to selected trims. Number 3. Base engine isn't too good. The 2.5-liter 4-cylinder gas unit leaves some drivers unimpressed. While the focus on efficiency is clear, the base drivetrain's performance doesn't quite match the expectations of drivers looking for power and responsiveness. For city driving, 203 horsepower is more than enough, but when quick acceleration or heavy load hauling are required, competitors with extra power are much better options. In situations like highway merging or passing, the acceleration can feel sluggish. With the base unit, the 2025 RAV4 needs almost 9 seconds for 0 to 60. Rivals in the compact SUV segment offer turbocharged options with higher torque, providing better acceleration and a more satisfying drive overall. Number 2. No more TRD model. The discontinuation of the TRD off-road trim for the 2025 Toyota RAV4 has left many fans disappointed. This was a unique green in the lineup, providing a more adventurous spirit compared to road-focused models. Not many compact crossovers offer a true off-road trim, and the TRD off-road added an exciting dimension with special suspension tuning, all-terrain tires, and unique styling details. Many fans were not only hoping for the TRD off-road to stay, but also expected the company to upgrade the offer with more serious gear. Toyota had the potential to add higher-end TRD packages with advanced features like improved skid plates, equipment that could make the RAV4 closer to the off-road focused rivals like the Subaru Forester Wilderness. Instead, the decision to remove the TRD off-road trim is a big letdown for buyers looking for an adventure-ready crossover. Number 1. Price. You can't just ignore that the price of the 2025 Toyota RAV4 is a bit higher, especially when you start building up the vehicle. The new model starts at $28,850, while the hybrid engine upgrade adds $3,000. The RAV4 justifies its price with a strong reputation for reliability and high resale value, but the added cost of upper trim levels can be a barrier for some buyers. The limited edition is just under $40,000, and with a hybrid engine, this price breaks the mark. Thanks for watching and see you next time.